AI versus humans. Will your job survive the rise of artificial intelligence? Are you worried that AI will take over your job? Well, you're not alone. The rise of artificial intelligence has sparked concerns among workers across various industries. But let's separate fact from fiction. AI is undoubtedly transforming the workforce, but it doesn't necessarily mean your job is doomed. In fact, AI has the potential to enhance rather than replace human labor. From automation to data analysis, AI can handle repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. In the field of healthcare, AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately, leading to better patient outcomes. Manufacturing industries benefit from AI because it can efficiently optimize production processes, resulting in higher productivity and reduced costs. Even in education, AI-powered systems can offer personalized learning experiences, benefiting both students and teachers. Many workers have discovered that AI becomes an indispensable tool, improving their efficiency and enabling them to make more informed decisions. However, it's important to acknowledge that some jobs may be at risk. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks and can be easily automated are more susceptible. To ensure future job security, it's crucial to adapt and acquire new skills that complement AI technology. Upskilling and reskilling programs can equip workers with the knowledge and expertise needed to work alongside AI. So, instead of fearing AI, we should embrace its potential and see it as a tool for growth and innovation. In conclusion, AI will never completely replace human intelligence and ingenuity. It will revolutionize the workforce by complementing our skills and driving economic progress. Thanks for watching.